In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix browser source in OBS Studio. If your browser source is not loading properly, looks frozen, or is showing outdated content, there's a quick fix you can try directly inside OBS. In many cases, the issue is simply related to the browser source cache, and refreshing it can help OBS load the page correctly again. To get started, open your OBS Studio app and wait for the main interface to appear. Once you're inside OBS, look toward the lower section of the window where you'll see the Sources panel. This is the area that lists all of the visual elements currently being used in your scene, such as cameras, images, display captures, and browser sources. In the Sources panel, find the browser source that's giving you trouble and select it. Make sure you're choosing the correct source, especially if you have more than one browser source in the same scene. Taking a moment here can save you from editing the wrong item. After selecting the browser source, click on Properties. This will open the settings window for that specific source, where you can adjust how OBS loads and displays the web content. If the source has been acting strangely, this is usually the first place you want to check. Inside the Properties window, scroll down until you see the option labeled Refresh Cache of Current Page. This setting is useful because browser sources in OBS can sometimes keep an old version of a page stored in memory, which may cause loading issues or prevent recent changes from appearing. Once you find that option, click on Refresh Cache of Current Page. This tells OBS to clear the stored cache for that browser source and reload the current page with fresh data. It's a simple step, but it can solve a surprising number of browser source problems without needing to recreate the source from scratch. After that, click OK to save the change and close the Properties window. At this point, OBS should reload the browser source using the refreshed cache. If the problem was caused by outdated cached data, your browser source should now work properly. This method is especially helpful when overlays, widgets, or embedded web pages stop updating the way they should. Try this anytime your browser source seems stuck or broken in OBS Studio, since it's one of the fastest and easiest fixes available.